In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for Shopify stores. This is a simple way to create content, improve product pages, and optimize your store for better conversions. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to help with my Shopify store. For example, I might type, "Write a product description for a fitness water bottle for my Shopify store." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will generate content such as product descriptions, headlines, and marketing copy. If I want better results, I can include more details in my prompt, such as product features, target audience, or brand voice. For example, I might type, "Write a high-converting product description for a BPA-free water bottle targeting gym users." Claude can also help create homepage content, email campaigns, and promotional offers. If needed, I can ask Claude to improve existing store content by pasting it into the chat and requesting optimization. Once the content is ready, I can copy it and add it to my Shopify store. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI for Shopify stores. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.